Oh! Oh, it's Pepto-Bismol. No, not Pepto-Bismol. It's
Robitussin.
Robitussin, that's the one. Oh.
And welcome back to you guys. Today we're playing Prinny. Can I really be a hero?
Yep. I want Zack to play this. I love Disgaea, I love Nipponichi software, and this is a spin-off game that was on the PSP, and I never beat it because I just got sickly frustrated at it. But this is a really good fun game, and I want Zack to play it.
And here we go.
Here we go.
Look at the penguins. Are these all Prinnies, or is Prinny
Those are all
specific?
Prinnies. Those are Prinnies.
Okay.
So like I told Zack, so basically
Nipponichi software.
the character, what a Prinny is, it's basically just like a sinner soul stuck inside a penguin suit. You want to do standard. I want you to do
just
standard.
right for you casual gamers.
Or you think you're hardcore enough? You can be hardcore. You can die in one hit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Zack, this is the tutorial
man,
level. Don't fuck this up.
Many bats died for our windmills.
I'm so late.
Oh yeah, it has audio.
Ugh, verse. The time to act will be at hand. Unleash the Titans, your monstrous band. Oh, it's a meteor shower.
Those are Prinnies.
Where's Sephiroth?
It's a pretty end.
So yeah, in the game, if you toss a Prinny, they explode. So,
Okay.
Zack, you just gotta figure shit out. There, tips. That's why. Jumping.
Oh, thanks. Press it again while in the air to double jump.
There you go. You got it. You getting it. No, just jump. There you go.
Flan. So what is the flan here, Reid? Get it? Press on the edge, face it while hanging, pressing to climb up.
You wanna jump? You gotta double jump, dude.
Yep.
Use your brain.
I'm trying!
Zack. Oh, Zack, you're never gonna beat the game.
This does not bode well. Press down button while B. Hit pound.
You gotta be in the air. There you go. Got it. Nailed it.
Got it. Oh.
Nailing it.
Revive point. Use the hit pound to activate the revive point. If you die, you'll be reappeared at that point.
Mm-hmm. No.
Oops.
There you go.
Haha, nailed it.
Smart.
First try. Attack. Y is a slash attack. Press the Y button in the air to air slash. Oh. Yeah. Yeah!
Yeah, you're gonna wanna really spam that. That's an enemy.
Oops.
Oh, you dumb bastard. There you go. Nailed it. Ooh, yes, good.
There's no kill like overkill.
Good job.
Did I miss something down here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just keep going. This is a tutorial level. You're not missing anything. I promise. Get the food. Eat the food, Tina. There you go. Press Y.
Press R button up and down. Okay.
So you can kind of look ahead, so you don't like get blindsided by shit.
Hold on. Oh, I can only go up or down.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go side to side.
Jeez. Yeah, I thought I could go side to side.
You don't want to hold them plan. You can't get it.
Why not?
You're too dumb.
But it's a tutorial level. They should give it to me.
Well, how would you get in the magic carpet, Zack? Maybe the magic carpet will take you where you need to go.
Or it will kill me.
Or you can just jump in the magic goddamn carpet. Nope, I'm not taking you anywhere. Okay, so just ignore it. Ignore me! There you go.
Hippo. Huh!
You can
Press the
squat.
down button to squat.
You can't kill it.
Oh, alright. Oh, bitch!
You stupid bastard.
Damn it. You step on to stun enemies and raise your combo gauge. Enemies can't harm you when they're stunned.
No, you. Oh, oh, Zack. You'll never beat the dragon. Okay, so I should tell you. So you
Yes.
see where it says combo gauge, and you see on the far right corner there's a scarf.
Yes.
So if you raise the combo gauge, you'll get that. That's your reward. You'll get that scarf. So you'll take another hit. And like it said, like the way you raise the combo gauge is if you stun enemies and then you do that air slash move.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay.
But I gotta do it like on top of them, right?
The hip. Yeah. Remember, you can double jump. Yeah, there you go. Good. Now hit him with the combo.
Damn it. Get up.
Okay, you're running out of time. It's fine.
There's time?
Yeah, I told you you're getting timed.
Yeah, but is that time? That's not time for the whole game, right?
That's time for the stage. Once the time's over, it's game over.
Yeah, but how big is this stage?
Huh? There's only one way to find out. That's to finish the game. Or finish the stage.
Oh, come on.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. I think you got your bearings, and you did.
Oh. Alrighty.
Oh, at least you
No
revived.
worries. Got it.
There you go. Yeah, you did it. You got the scarf. But you already have 3 scarves, so it doesn't matter.
Oh. Get closer. Come a little closer next to me. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. Yeah. Oh, come on!
Oh my god. Yeah, I do remember this on the PSP.
No!
Shank
Ah!
control.
Like, even when I turn around, like, once I'm already on the... Oh! Once I'm already on the trajectory, like, I can't... There's nothing I can do about it. No! Okay. Yeah, okay. Yep, I've confirmed it now with my own fingers. There's nothing I can do about it. Okay. I gotta wait, and then... Oh, oh, no.
No!
No!
Zack, just jump normally!
Okay.
Not from there!
Oh, the mechanic of, like, climbing is not,
There!
not
Oh.
my favorite.
It is not that difficult.
Well, they're,
Okay.
like...
No,
It
don't
really-
go down there! What are you doing?
I want to get the scarf.
You already got it! There's no more scarf to get, now it's a Sunday.
Well, that's silly.
You already got it! I told you got it!
Well, I mean, okay. I knew I got it, but then you said that, like, oh, it didn't count because I had already had 3 scarves.
Yes.
But then I didn't realize that the price had changed. Huh.
I don't know how to help. I could, well, whatever.
No.
No.
Okay, stop. Oh, the controls are not... Ah!
They're not intuitive.
Well, it's not that. It's that, like, if I jump, I have no control in the air. Like, I either jump straight up or I jump forward.
You wanna read the tip.
I guess. Lift and throw bombs.
X. There you go.
Oops.
Oh, you don't want to touch it now. Okay. In any case.
If I go, like, here, will it respawn?
Nope. You're just gonna ride it out?
Let's see.
Ugh.
Yeah. Alright.
There you go.
Is he saying eat a dick? Kind of what it sounds like.
Honestly, I don't know.
come on. No. So frustrated.
I told you it's gonna be frustrated this game.
Yeah, but I thought it was just gonna be because I'm bad at video games. I didn't think it was gonna be because the controls are like very specific.
PSP for you, baby. You gotta want to watch out.
Hold the A button down to make Prinny spin. Press left and right buttons to release the A button to make Prinny dash. Oh. Whee! I'm a magical girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, you tire yourself out. Yeah, so that's how you kind of like dash around real fast. That will be a useful mechanic in the future. And so that one indicates that there's a boss coming up, okay? Zack, you don't have to kill everything. I know.
Yeah,
I know you got the.
that shit
I know
out.
you got the bloodlust in you, but
Yeah, but I also like to check.
you know you deserve that.
Oops. Oh, come on.
No.
Oops.
Oh, joy.
Atonement Gate. Hit upon the gate at the end of each stage challenge. You challenge the boss and beat the level.
This is a dope ass gate too.
Oh yeah.
All right. Let's see if you. I mean, you'll have. I mean, you're gonna have to. There's this is the tutorial boss. I mean, if you can't beat this, if you can't beat this fucker, then
It'll be fine. I got this. Damien.
Yep.
Oops.
So if you want to do more damage,
Yeah.
you want to hip check them or hip pound them. You see, there's a. Okay, I know that you're in mid combat, but there's a skull by his name.
Yeah. I see that. Damn it.
Once you get rid of all the skulls, they go into a daze and you do more damage.
Damn it. There it
There
is.
you go. So now you can just beat him with impunity. Just see, now you don't do as much damage because you want to get rid of the. You want to daze him again. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Yeah.
See, and you doubted me.
I did doubt you.
Yeah.
With good reason. But yeah. So the trick to this game
Yeah.
is you gotta match.
Best record. See that, Reid? Best record.
You gotta see.
Of all the. Shut up. Better than any of my grades in high school.
Yeah, dude.
Yep.
Ding! Damien's orb. I got one of his balls. That's right, bad guys in this game. I'm coming for your balls. The Netherworld, a land of darkness.
The game is reading it for us, so we
Alright.
can talk about other shit.
I think that means it's time for another show.
Oh, okay. You want
What do we got here now? We got
Miami Vice?
Miami Vice.
And not the show. It's vodka and vodka. Oh, it's strawberry daiquiri and vodka. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Prinnies.
Yeah, it's basically talking about what they are.
There's no flesh beneath their skin.
Okay.
They've been sentenced to a life of slavery.
Yeah. So at the bottom of the cast.
Mhm.
You're,
The cast system.
everybody's bitch. But yeah, I love this guy. Like, this game spun like so many freaking sequels. They did the very unsuccessful Disgaea 6,
Mhm.
and I was kind of like, fucking guys, like you lost the magic touch.
Mhm.
Hopefully they'll bring it back in Disgaea 7 in the far future.
Are there any plans that you're aware of for another Disgaea?
No idea.
Oh.
I'm hopeful.
What's going on, dude?
Master Etna.
Yep.
A dude.
So Etna is one of like the main characters from the first game.
Okay.
She is her. She's the vassal to the main character, Laharl.
Oh, okay.
That dumb.
Oh, Squad Mate definitely ate it.
you wouldn't get mad. Fine. Then bring me the ultra
I'll just say bye till tomorrow.
If you do, I'll forgive your
Blatant stupidity.
If you don't, you're all getting the axe. Literally. Ultra dessert.
Is she a character that wields an axe?
Well, in Disgaea, you can give your characters whatever you want.
Oh,
You
nice.
can give them a sword, you can make them fight barehanded,
Hmm.
and stuff. Her specialty, though, is lances and bows.
Mm.
Preferably the lance.
Well, handled recklessly. This is not how you transport nitro.
What was that from? I remember that.
Wild Wild West.
That's right.
They're like, it's like in the cart or whatever. Haha! I have the scarf of power. Oh! Yep. Bye.
I didn't die, dude.
Dude, he didn't explode.
Dude.
You got until tomorrow morning. Understand? If you don't bring me the ultra dessert by then, you'll be
So it's to my understanding that every time you lose a life,
Mm-hmm.
that Prinny does die, and you just hand the scarf to the next Prinny.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure that's the.
It's sort of like a clone situation.
Pretty much. It's like tag in, dude.
Yeah.
You're the hero, dude.
You're the hero!
Dude, you're in charge from now on.
I don't know if I want that job.
Why is there only this one scarf, dude? Don't worry, dude.
Don't worry,
Go
dude.
down. We'll just
Yep.
get to next.
There you go.
Dude. Give it your pretty best, dude.
This is not going to end well for you.
Somehow he looks like shorter and stouter than the other Preenies. I think it's a scarf. 10 hours left. Is this like in-game hours or is
In-game
this like
hours.
an actual
So every
timing?
time you complete a stage, dude.
For the ultra dessert, you gotta
Collect
collect all the
ingredients.
ingredients. You'll have to get them from
Demons
demons
and
in 6
there
areas
isn't.
of the netherworld.
Oh my god!
You want to trade
He's
spots?
bothering me, dude!
Sure thing. Oh, but I'm busy today. Ask
Wait,
me
Mark.
again tomorrow, dude.
You bitch.
Can't take this anymore. Go to my way. Breeze between the dimensions calms me. Data must record data. I'll teach you all you need to do. Asking you shall receive. Come to the tutorial shop.
You already did the tutorial, Zach.
But there's a tutorial stage 2?
Yeah, but you don't need to do it. You can just jump right into the game.
What's with all the badass demons coming around lately, dude? You new here or what?
I mean, you're a master at this, right? Or do you really want to do the tutorial stage?
How actually necessary is it?
No idea. I don't remember anything.
Okay. Probably not important then. Moving on.
Excellent.
Impossible for us. Wait, peons. Yeah, with that attitude. That's why you don't have the scarf.
I don't know why she works us so hard.
I guess that's what we get for being so awful in our past lives.
You're pretty smart for a pretty, dude.
What did you do in your past life? I murdered a guy. What about you? What did you do? It's like, I jaywalked once. I guess that's enough.
So that's as sinful as it gets.
Yeah. It's like, oh, you disgust me. I sold NFTs. Like, oh god, you belong here. Cling. Oh. Oh.
Use Damien's soul. Now you can save.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Oh,
You're an
fuck.
only here.
Yep. And creating a useless save file. Yeah, make a save file.
Did it not do it?
I don't know. So when we find out, talk. Yes.
Oh yeah, I did.
Excellent. Now go to the stage.
Stages.
You choose whatever you want to do.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I
Yahoo!
remember a thing. Depending on which stage you start with, it determines like what the next boss will be in the other stages. So you can whatever order you go, you won't ever fight like the same boss usually.
Okay.
Or if you do, the boss will become a harder version of the original one.
Oh, because now you're like more powered up or whatever.
Yeah, or it's just you're fighting them at a different time. Okay, keep going, run. Run, 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 run. You're losing top combo meter. You want to keep the combo meter up as high as possible.
Oh, I gotta push A.
Nope.
Ow, bitch.
There you go. Now just run. Hip check. There you go. The longer you keep the combo gauge up,
No, come on.
the more benefits you get.
Come on.
There you go.
Ah! Ow.
Oh, there's one. All right.
One down. Oh, I had infinite. Oh,
because it's a
yeah.
tutorial. Yep. Zack, you're doing the real game now. This is the big leagues.
This is the big leagues.
I think you can destroy that pot, you know.
Nope.
Like, if you slash it. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
I'm like, slash it.
Ow.
Oh! That's two!
That's two.
Ooh, so it calls for another shot for Reid.
Too bad we don't have 999 shots. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh!
Ow, for sake.
I know you.
No! God damn it!
I know you get slightly frustrated.
Ah!
This is really funny to me.
I will. Ah! Damn
Just watch you fuck up with the same thing over and over again.
I mean, this is the whole.
That's the joy of this game.
That's the whole reason you saw it. And you're like, oh, Zack's gotta play it.
Yeah.
Let's be very honest here about what we're doing.
I told you it's your.
I know, and I. Ah! I'm so. Ah! Okay. No!
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god. This is too funny.
it's because I'm trying to. It's because. Oh! It's because I'm being too greedy. I know it.
Then you're overcompensating for certain jumps and such. Oh, funny.
Ah! Let me up! Son of a bitch. Ah! Alright, stop screwing up.
Fucking funny.
Well, alright. Run it back!
You got this. No pressure, bro.
I'm gonna beat this, and you're gonna...
You take back all those mean words you said, Reid.
Suck it, fool.
Ah, wow. 15 times charm. There you go.
Yeah.
You're doing it,
All
Chief.
I gotta do
It's
is
not
play
fuck
for play for real. No, come on! Oh,
Oh, look,
so
a save point.
frustrating.
Or checkpoint. There you go, you did it. You gotta go up. Oh, you're doing it!
Oh! Ah, well, alright.
Alright. No!
Guess I just bashed my head into the stump.
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
get those points. Get this pig. Fucking ass.
Oh, look! Kill that thing. You want to kill that thing. There you go.
Yeah. 2,000 points. Oh, fuck.
I think there's an achievement for killing those things, actually. Not just for the points. There's an actual achievement. Okay. Excellent. This game also weeds out the people who want to kill everybody, like everything, because like
It punishes you for wanting to kill things.
yeah. Look, if you get the combo meter at max, you can get a scarf. You want to be careful. You can bounce on them, but you can't touch those things, okay?
Okay.
The gargoyles. So theoretically, what you do is you just bounce on top of it to get to the next spot.
Bounce on top of it?
Yeah, the hip bounce on top of the gargoyle
Oh.
statue thing, and you can bounce and get like the either the stuff or bounce off of it to keep going on, like that stuff. Oh, you missed that. There you go. You're doing it, Zack.
Ah! Oh!
There you go. Okay, that's an enemy that's gonna roll at you.
Alright. Roll away from me then.
Good.
Oh, bitch. And...
Oh, look, you can drive a mech. Hip check the mech. Zack, just leave it alone.
I want his head!
Oh, God, you are just unbelievable. Hip check it.
Oops.
There, you have it for X amount of seconds. I think if you hold the button down. There you go. Yeah, you're supposed to hold it.
Ow. It's not very cool of you to use... Oh, it respawned.
Zack, you don't need it anymore. Just go.
Power! Unlimited power!
Yeah, for the next 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17. Zack, you can't take the tank with you.
Oh?
You can't take the tank with
Oh,
you.
are you sure?
You can't take the tank with you.
I just gotta get a running start. That's all it is.
You're like so stubborn in like the dumbest way. Oh my god, you stupid bastard.
Right. And yep.
Woo! You know, the fact that I said that I never finish this game tells me that you might, out of sheer spite, be like, I'm gonna finish this game, Reid. I'm gonna do what you couldn't accomplish.
It wouldn't be the first thing. Oh, fuck.
Oh boy. Woo! This is fun.
I think so too, actually.
It's.
I wish the
I told
controls
you.
were a little bit more responsive than they are, but beyond that, like it's very charming. Like it's a fun little game.
Plus the be honest, you really like the chibi looking characters, yeah.
Oh yeah,
That's where most of the charm comes from.
yeah, absolutely.
You like killing the little killing the tiny pigs or the orcs.
Yeah.
Oh,
well.
for fuck's sake, Zack! Come on, there you go. Let it go. Let it go.
Like Elsa said.
Oh, that's I still haven't watched Frozen.
Oh really?
Everyone tells me good things about it, but I'm like, fuck it.
It's pretty good. I think I mean, it's worth a watch at least once. I think.
Okay.
I'm not gonna like ream your asshole about it.
I frankly wouldn't care about not watching that movie.
Yeah. Mulan's better anyway.
Mulan's not a princess.
Have you seen the bartered pasty? It's boiled Prinny.
Sorry to interrupt, dude, but could you give me some of your food?
Huh? You trying to
Run off my group.
Oh, I thought he was
No
wearing.
need. We
I
got
guess he's
this.
wearing a diaper.
It does sort of look like that.
Yeah.
But he is wearing a bib. For dip sauce.
Mm-mm.
My guts are made of nitroglycerin, so have fun with that.
Joke's on you! Get him, Zack! Get him! Air slash him! Air slash him! That's the best way to do damage.
Oops.
Oh, you idiot.
Ow.
Yeah! Do it! Yeah! Button mash! Hard button mash!
Okay, and
The faster
scream.
you attack, or tap, the more damage you do.
No.
Ah! Ah! Yeah! You're doing it, dude. You're doing it, dude!
Scream. And jump. And... Ow! Dick!
You can get him!
No, come on.
Yeah,
Oh, damn it.
You can
So
switch him.
close.
You don't have to head bump. Just keep slashing.
Oops. Ah,
so
fuck.
so gross. All right, back from square one.
I got it. Oops.
Oh yeah, you showed me.
No, stop.
Woo! Yeah.
Alfred.
Yeah.
That is very satisfying.
It is, yeah.
Oops.
If you do it lower to the ground, you hit faster. You do more damage. It's hard to time it. But
Stop! Ugh, bad choice.
Yeah!
So satisfying, man.
Don't get close. Get away. Watch out from them jowls.
Ow! Nope. I don't nearly do enough damage when he's not.
Yeah. Yeah, but you're like that. Like before, you're like that one hit away. You probably could have finished them off.
Yeah, you're right.
Get him! Get that big baby diaper.
Oh, fuck.
You like this part, huh? Unlimited power!
There
Yeah,
it is.
boy!
Yeah. Easy peasy. Only 9 lives.
Woo! Best record yet!
Fallen Princess
Yeah, see-
stage. Yeah. There were 3 there?
Yes. So
Do they just,
I think
like,
it, I think it
pop up?
depends. Well, it depends on what time of day it is.
What?
Like, remember I told you how like there's like different like
Never go stuff.
like if you didn't fight him first, so you fought him like
Later in the
third
day.
or like fourth, like you did 4 stages before. You did 3 stages before, and then you fought him like as the 4th stage.
Yeah.
The lucky doll would be in a different area and stuff. So yeah, like time of day shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is like a optimal order. Of-
Not really. It's just it's all dependent. There's like different endings, and then like there's different like bosses you can fight. Stuff like I was saying.
Let's go save.
So yeah, but you did it. Congratulations. Woo! So anyways, thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I'm enjoying this. Watching Zack slowly whittle his lives away. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Discord. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And then we'll see you next time as Zack continues his arduous task of not failing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.